guys, and welcome to another cheat day video here in Florida. I'm so excited, and today I'm gonna start with something that I haven't had in over a year. It's the place called Bake Shack, and they have different stuff, and I'm super excited to retry everything I almost said, but retry a few items. And also, what I wanted to say real quick, I'm going to continue doing the snack review since you guys liked it so much, and I will be doing a monthly giveaway with a few of the snacks that I tried. This is going to be only in the US since I don't want to do overseas shipping, international shipping with food. Also, it's going to be an Instagram exclusive because it's just easier. So if you want to participate, go check my Instagram out and wait for the picture about the giveaway. And yeah, this is out of my own pocket. It's just because I want to give back to you guys, and I think that would be fun. Anyways, I'm going to go inside, grab some snacks and some goodies, and I'll be right back. Alright, we are back and we got the goodies. I got a maple bacon, a peanut butter jelly, a raspberry mango filling, a raspberry jam, a cinnamon roll, and an apple fritter. I'm so excited. I don't know why I didn't get an apple fritter last week, but I want to start with this massive cinnamon roll. Babe, here, have a bite of this. This is a massive, massive cinnamon roll. How's that?
I think it's fire.
Makes me miss already.
What is on the top of it? Is it cream cheese?
Cream cheese icing. This thing is fire.
It's really good. What the hell? You didn't give me nothing.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're...
No, I'm just kidding.
Aww. This thing is a 10 out of 10. Right?
Yeah, it is. No, I don't want any. I don't want fun.
Here. Are you serious? Huge fucking bite.
That was a small bite. What are you talking about?
This thing is probably the best cinnamon roll I've ever had. So good, because these things tend to be dry. Fantastic. Next one is a pretty simple one. It's a raspberry jelly filled and powdered donut. Oh yeah. Their donut dough is amazing. Not quite Nani's dough, but amazing. So good. Next up, we have a simple maple bacon donut. Simple, but a classic. That's what's up. Did you want to bite?
What? No, I'm fine. My bad. I did bite you, huh? Yeah, watch out.
I'm gonna eat some of your donuts as well, because we're going to go to another donut swap for Nate, so you better watch out for that video. Next up is a donut. I think she said it's with a mango raspberry custard filling, so I wanted to try this. It is yellow, which is deceiving. But and you have two types of filling in there. That's actually really good. It's a mango custard and then raspberry jam. This one is amazing too. very good. This one is a peanut butter jelly one. I hope it's raspberry jelly. That would be amazing. Oh. The peanut cream is so fluffy. I think this is grape jelly. Here. Or is that strawberry?
No, it's grape. That thing's fire. Grape jelly's the best.
I actually think it's raspberry since it has little seeds in it.
Yeah, you're probably right, honestly.
There's seeds in it. It's very good.
I told you it was.
Very good. And last but not least, this beautiful looking apple fritter. I don't think I ever had an apple fritter from Bake Shack, but let's give this beauty a try.
What is that?
Apple fritter. It was really good.
It's alright. Applebee's is better. You know it.
It has apple pieces in here, which is really good. It's not filled, but it's not fried to death, so it's not super dry. It's moist and crunchy on the outside, and has this fruity flavor to it. Very good. Very good. Since I shared this basically with Nate, I want to do a quick pit stop on the way home to get something special.
With Daddy.
You'll see. And I think then we take a break before lunch. Very good. Bake Shack 9 out of 10. And now, Boobies, are you ready for your donuts? Now we're getting Nate his well-deserved donuts. And I'll see you in a second.
I might get coffee.
Yeah, okay.
No, we have coffee out.
You can get coffee.
Nice coffee.
Yeah, sure.
Welcome to Starbucks. What can we get started for you?
Hi, may I please have a blueberry muffin, all 3 cake pops, please? And then can I please have a medium iced coffee, light ice, with a little bit of fat-free milk? That will be it.
Alright guys, I told you about the quick pit stop we had to make, and it had to be Starbucks cake pops and a blueberry muffin, and also Nate got me another donut. Thank you so much.
Yummy.
And he's having some coffee. He's kidding, guys. And I am having my first cake pop, which is going to be, I don't know what this is. I think it's chocolate.
It looks like chocolate.
You want some?
9. Definitely
It's
not
good, though.
chocolate. It would be a different one.
It's really good though.
No. Thank you though. We're supposed to make a giant cake pop.
I know. It's hard though. And I think this is cookie dough. Yeah. This is.
Oh, that's the one I want to. No, I'll take it. I can chew the sugar. Is that sugar? It's grinding in my teeth.
And then next up, a warm
Oh my goodness.
American blueberry muffin.
That cake pop was fire.
I know, right? You gave that to me. You introduced me.
Oh.
That's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah.
That's fire.
so soft inside, and then the crunchy sugar on top.
Setting. Okay.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not
No, I appreciate it, but no.
really fine. You just can't get into it
This
because
is so
they
good.
would never understand.
Hey. Hey. You didn't give me any. Oh, this is the best one, right?
Birthday cake.
I appreciate it, but okay.
This is fire.
Is that it?
But we have another donut Nate got me. It is a lemon raspberry cheesecake, which I'm super excited about to try. Super excited about to try.
Super excited to try. Oh, you got some of that. Oh, I remember what that tastes like.
Mojo Donuts.
Ooh, look at that. Ooh, look at that. Is it too heavy, the cream? Oh, yeah, it's sexy.
Stop.
What? Am I ruining your video?
Yes.
Food porn. Sorry. Food porn.
This is so good.
Okay, I'll stop.
Nate
Mine.
had it. Nate had this. Stop.
Stop what?
I always ask you if you want some.
I don't want none. Can I just watch you eat?
Yeah.
I'm gonna be a feeder and just feed you.
Okay.
And I'll just sit there watch.
And enjoy me growing.
No, that's fine.
It's weird. All right, guys, that was my quick pit stop. It's 9:30. I feel excellent, and I'm ready for the next meal.
Are you ready like right now?
I'm ready right now, but I'll wait.
Okay.
All right, guys, so we are back, and Nate is actually doing the I ordered what the person in front of me ordered, and we just went to Wendy's, and make sure to check out his channel. He's doing a calorie challenge. So basically he's trying to hit more than 10,000 calories with foods that people in front of him ordered. Nate wanted to do something different than just a normal calorie cheat day because that market is saturated. But yeah, I think that's really cool. And right now, we are going to Tucker Duke's, a place I went to in February, and the food is amazing. I had mac and cheese, so good, and a donut burger. And they actually make another donut burger for me, but this time a little bit different, and I'm super excited. Huge shout out to Tucker Duke's for making special food for me. I super appreciate it, and I'm ready to eat.
Let's go.
So what we have here is their Jelly Belly, which is a donut burger. And last time I had it with a regular burger, but this time fried chicken. I'm so excited. And also we have some mac and cheese with bacon. All right, I'm gonna cut this in half and show you what this looks like. Yeah. This is falling apart, so I'm gonna start with this beautiful burger. Fried chicken, bacon, and donuts. Can it get any better than that? I don't think so. This is so good.
Is that Krispy Kreme's on top of it?
Tastes not good, honestly.
Or is it Dunkin' Donuts?
Could be too. 10 out of 10.
Seriously?
You wanna try?
Shut the front door and shut the back door.
Okay. And Tucker Deuce has one of the best bacon mac and cheese. They're so good, and I love that they use the little shells.
Is it the best macaroni and cheese you've ever had?
No, but it's one of the best at the burger place.
How about the German mac and cheese?
Out of the package, it doesn't count.
Okay. Oh,
Do you want to try a little bit of this?
9.
Are you sure?
Positive. I just ate.
Okay.
Oh, but thank you for offering, sweetheart. Actually, let me have a little bit of the macaroni and cheese. You never let me try it last time. Stingy. Just kidding.
What do you think?
It's lava juice. Strong 4 out of 10. Just kidding.
Strong what?
4 out of 10.
It's really good.
How's that fried chicken?
Good. You want some?
9.
It's crunchy.
Is that honey glazed? 9. Is that maple?
Maple syrup.
That's what's up.
It's really good.
Let me smash that.
That was very delicious. Thank you so much, Tucker Deuce and Deerfield Beach, for making me this creation. That was fantastic, and now I feel very good, and I'm ready for a little break. Alright guys, so I went to Target and I picked up these 4 frozen cheesecakes from Cheesecake Factory. They have white chocolate raspberry truffle, which I had last week, chocolate mousse cheesecake, strawberry topped original cheesecake, and Snickers bar chunk cheesecake.
Damn.
I bought these and then I looked at the serving suggestion. It says thaw in refrigerator for 8 to 12 hours before eating. I don't got that time. So what I did, I picked the raspberry and the Snicker cheesecake and I defrosted it in the microwave for an hour.
What?
For a minute. For a minute. And I'm going to try these right now and hope they're good.
Did you hit the defrost button?
Yes, I hit the defrost button and they're a little melty. But they're good.
Shut the front door.
They're good. They're a little
Shut the back door.
on the softer side,
You left it open. It's on the softer side?
but it's good.
Oh, so. What about the whipped cream on top?
It's good.
9? Mm-hmm. Did you make sure that you put it back in 1080p?
No. I'm not a big fan of the Snickers cheesecake. Not sure why. It's like, I don't know, it's weird. But, of course I'm eating it anyway. Maybe it's better fresh, but this gets a 5 out of 10.
Yeah, no, it is because it's better fresh, Olivia.
The cheesecake is good though. It's just the Snickers not.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, and this is the raspberry swirl I can directly compare to last week. That is good. Last week they had raspberry sauce on top, but this is good. This is very good. And yes, of course it's better fresh, but still. This one's actually really good. I have more. You want some?
No. Close my eyes just for a few minutes, okay? Love you.
I love you too.
Be with me.
I am with you. I'll be right there too. This one's really good.
What is it?
Raspberry swirl. That does make me want to try the strawberry topped original. I think I'm gonna get another piece of these and then I take a break. All right, and here we have the strawberry topped original cheesecake. That is pretty good. The Cheesecake Factory Cheesecake Mukbang is coming. I gotta plan it out though. Very good. And that is it for now. Alright guys, it is late and I picked up some salad from Panera Bread, which looked really good. It has avocado, bacon, chicken, tomato. But the one thing I was looking forward to most was the dressing, and they just didn't put any dressing in it, which is super disappointing at this point. Oh well. I wanted something fresh, you know, but the dressing is the best part on a cheat day salad. So luckily Nate got Taco Bell, and I'll borrow some sauces from him, mild and hot sauce. I don't even know if that goes well with the salad, but I don't have anything else. We don't have any salad dressing at home because we don't use salad dressing. So I'm just going to put some mild and hot sauce on it and hope that it's good. Do you think that's gonna be good? Probably not, huh?
Who, me?
Yeah.
Are you talking to the camera?
I'm asking you.
I think honestly this hot sauce is hot sauce is pretty good. Can you see my foot?
Yeah. I don't know if the hot sauce is gonna be good. Do we have something left from the Chick-fil-A? Okay, let's see if we have mayo. I'm gonna use ketchup because I need some sauce with my salad. I've never seen anyone putting ketchup on their salad.
You're first.
It's probably kind of gross. But honestly, I'm so bummed out about not having a dressing that I'm gonna just do it anyway. And also have some French roll bread and some butter. And yeah, I wanted to dip that in the dressing. I'm gonna stop talking about the dressing now and spread this butter. That's good. It might be that the salad is pretty gross. You know what? That's actually pretty good.
Is that really good? Why are you always lying?
I honestly imagine it worse. But the bread roll, like the French baguette with the butter, is good. I enjoy that one. Alright guys, the salad is done and was better than I anticipated, even without dressing, but with ketchup. And now we got this bread roll and this butter. This butter is really good. It's Land O'Lakes. They say it's only 3 ingredients, and it actually is.
The butter?
Yeah.
What is it?
Canola oil, cream, and salt. It's really good butter for some reason. And no trans fats. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. This salad wasn't the best, but you know, just wanted something fresh. And the French baguette with the butter was fantastic. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know on Instagram or in the comment section down below what other restaurants you want me to try here in the US. And I love you guys so much, and I see you in the next video. Bye guys!